All right, guys, we went ahead and did the spell work for class, and I need to go ahead and put it on here for you. This is October 31st, 2017. You guys should have already written it down. It was on your assignment in Google Classroom. The sentence reads, and it's easier to hear it out loud, I guess. John Adams and Thomas Jefferson, our second and third presidents, both died on the 4th of July in 1826 on the 50th anniversary of the signing of the Declaration of Independence. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so your classmates and I, we went through this. I'm just going to go ahead and as you guys take a minute and look at this, and hopefully you've made some corrections, we'll go ahead and take a look at what we've got to change. So we have some capitalization issues, definitely. Some spelling errors, some punctuation errors. So, and then we'll take some notes. So the very first thing that I can see is that we need to lowercase the P in presidents, okay? Because we've already named who they are and they don't need to be capitalized, okay? Then the next thing that you need to do is put in a comma after presidents and between presidents and both. 4th of July is going to be capitalized. It's a holiday. Okay, all holidays are capitalized. Then we're going to take out this period, lowercase the on, and I'll explain that in just a second. Then we're going to take out this A, lowercase it, and we're going to take out this E in anniversary, and it's misspelled. Okay. Then we have the Declaration. Declaration is misspelled. It needs an A instead of an E. Of Independence, D-E-N-C-E. Okay. Then you need a period and you need a capitalization. Okay. And as of at this moment in time, that's what I am seeing. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at this word both. Okay. Both is actually a pronoun, and it's taking the place of two or more things. And in this case, you're looking at the antecedent of both. The antecedents of both are John Adams and Thomas Jefferson. Okay, it's what both is referring to. Remember, that's in your notes. All right. Then you're looking at prepositional phrases. That's why we're going to take out that comma after 1826. We have when did they die? They died on the 4th. That's going to be a preposition of July, preposition in 1826, preposition on the 50th anniversary of the signing of the Declaration of Independence. So legitly, you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different prepositional phrases. Okay, and because you have so many prepositional phrases, and those prepositions are all talking about when they died, and at what time and what's going on, they're all acting as adverbs, and you cannot separate those off with a comma. All right, it's not listing anything. Actually, that comma is causing what we call comma splicing. So that gives you some good information on that. You're not going to put in a comma in between prepositional phrases like that because you're comma splicing then. All right, the very last thing that we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about these parentheses. All right, why use parentheses? Go ahead and take some notes on this subject. The key leaves the parentheses in place. First, I wanted to take them out, thinking that we can just make another sentence out of that. However, then it dumbed down the essay. If you were going to use this in an essay, it would take down the impact the essay had. So you're looking at parenthesis use. Parentheses are used to add supplemental material. And yes, I expect you guys to be writing this down. In your writing, or in academic writing, okay, the supplemental material adds interest. It adds interest for both the author and the reader. Or EA, sorry. But holds little value to the original essay. Okay, I hope you guys got that. So the saying, "Isn't it amazing?" basically reflects back to the idea that they both died on the 4th of July, 50 years after the fact that they signed the Declaration of Independence. They're two of the first signers on our Declaration. And the fact that they died 50 years later after the signing on the same day, pretty cool fact. Anyway, so that's just adds some interest, and but it holds very little weight. That statement holds very little weight to the facts that are stated and given. And in an academic essay, it'll need to be set off in parentheses. I hope that makes sense to you. Go ahead and get those notes down, and I will see you guys soon. I will send in your next video or videos tomorrow because we will be reading again in class. And I will talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.